afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I'm going to do a quick walk around and drive video. It's already started, so walk around and drive video for you on a 1997 Dodge Ram 1500 pickup. Now, this truck is custom from front to back. It is a beautiful truck. The paint and body on the truck is very, very nice. The truck's probably been done for 10 years or more. Probably 20 years. And it still looks awesome. 89,000 miles, 318, 5.2 liter under the hood, automatic, power steering, brakes, air, everything, as you can see, absolutely custom. All leather seats, custom stereo, Sony PlayStation up there. You can play PlayStation going down the highway. Just, the truck is just absolutely kick-ass. Sounds great. The dash, great shape. Custom headliner, custom seats. It even has a cover for underneath the hood. When you go to car shows, it covers up the whole engine. But these are all hardened. They've been all smoothed out and painted. The whole dash is like that. It's just a gorgeous pickup. Even the bed cover there got flamed. It's got one little scuff on it right here. One little touch-up spot. Outside of that, the paint is really nice. Radio works, horn, live. 89,311 miles. Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day, even your custom pickup trucks. Give us a call if you're interested in purchasing this gorgeous little truck. Spin it around here quick, go back the other way. Shut all the way when I was doing that. So now it is. Even the tint on the windows is flamed. It's pretty cool. I was gonna take it off, but I'm like, I can't take it off. It's just too cool. I'm sure the cops wouldn't like it too well, but gauges work, just a nice, clean running and driving truck. Give us a call, 563-452-2450. Thanks for watching, and please